solvent levels holding steady at 98%.
The ultrasonic scan confirms 0 surface abnormalities.
The confocal microscope captures ultra-high resolution images, ensuring the titanium meets the strict
The fully inspected titanium sheets are transferred into the Process A staging area. Simultaneously, the composite
AB process divergence confirmed.
This specialized robotic deburring tool utilizes high-frequency sonic vibration to smooth the titanium sheets.
Pressure stable. Check the seal integrity.
Looks good. Ready for the autoclave transfer.
check the plasma feed rate on manifold B.
Temperature is stable at 1500 Kelvin. Weld integrity looks good.
Installation complete on product A. The liner is fully secured.
Confirmed. System reports perfect adherence.
The precision is immense. A highly focused laser fuses the junction points, creating a multi-port manifold structure. These flexible arrays monitor temperature gradients, integrating product A with the thermal control unit, ensuring precise monitoring within the wing structure.
Large curved panels are guided into panels by an isolated fixture.
Moving product A to the testing cell. Ensure all safety zones are clear.
Roger that. Trajectory confirmed.
Initiating thermal test cycle 1, de-icing. The metallic surfaces within the ducting heat rapidly.
The simulated infrared overlay highlights the uniform heat distribution resulting from the hot air flowing through the internal titanium ducts.
The data logger confirms the thermal sensors are maintaining the necessary 120 degrees Celsius anti-air across the leading edge.
The fully tested and certified wing subassembly, Product A, is now disconnected, marking the successful
The gantry crane precisely positions the subassembly, ensuring maximum protection before the team secures it for shipment.
The robotic vision system scans for gold plating purity on the TCU. This microscopic examination ensures
This is the heart of the thermal control unit. The robotic cells ensure pinpoint accuracy during PCB integration.
connector secured and sealed.
Torque check complete. Integration confirmed.
We are approaching peak G-force. Data remains nominal.
Looks good. The composite is handling the stress well.
The thermal cycling is holding steady at both extremes.
Internal components show no degradation at 70 degrees.
The simulated heat transfer is nominal. Look at the sensor array.
Confirmed. Calibration successful. Logging the results now.
This metallic seal guarantees the unit has passed all thermal mechanics.
With the successful completion of manufacturing, Product B enters the logistics chain.
Power levels verified and stable.
Dimensions match the spec. Proceeding with the alignment of Product B.
Visual inspection complete on the TCU. No damage noted.
Confirmed. Let's get it mounted.
The wiring harnesses are precisely routed from the titanium duct sensors and connected to the TCU, establishing the complete feed.
Ensure the tension is precise on these ties.
Confirmed. The padding is secure around the TCU. Leading edge clear. Systems check finalized.
Operational. All systems go.
The massive 60 relies heavily on the reliable function of the integrated control unit.
Anti-Icing System nominal. Check complete, over.
Cable connected. Initiating sequence. Copy that.
Monitoring thermal efficiency on product B. Data stream looks nominal.
Anti-Icing System status verified, green.
Automated inventory systems track every component. This ensures rapid delivery and long-term support logistics for the strategic fleet. 5,000 operational cycles, and the status remains flawless. This confirms the long-term durability of the unit.
Override engaged. Check sensor 4.
Sensor 4 green, heat cycling normally.
The precise control afforded by the rigid composite TCU, or Product B, allows the aircraft to execute its mission regardless of icing threats.